Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be making a Christmas wreath using this wire hanger. So, I got this idea from someone here on YouTube. So, you just stretch the wire hanger out. And then start adding your ornaments. So I picked these ornaments up from the Dollar Tree. There's a count of 12 in each. So I'm going to do gold on one side and red on the other side. And I'm going to do several different wreaths in this video. All my ornaments pulled out of the package. And I'm just going to start adding the ornaments. And so this little wavy little part, you just flip it around, flip the ornament around, and it'll slide right on down. So this video is part of a collaboration. It's called the Seasonal Wreath Challenge, and this challenge is being hosted by my friend Pam over at Creative Homescape. And what she's asked us to do is create a wreath for each season. So this season is the winter Christmas season, and that's what I'll be doing in this video. And I apologize for having my arm in the camera, but I had a bad angle in this video, so I go ahead and apologize in advance. So you just keep adding your ornaments. I thought this was a budget-friendly way to create a wreath. Yes, this was a budget-friendly way to create a wreath without using all the hot glue. So I just wanted to share this idea in case you're interested. So I want to go ahead and thank Pam in advance for hosting this challenge seasonally. I'll have her link and a link to the playlist in the description box. So if you're visiting my channel from the playlist or from Pam's channel, or you just stumbled upon my video, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you like budget-friendly ideas, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And go ahead and give me a comment and like this video if this is something you enjoy. And go ahead and share it with someone you think may be interested in it. My channel focuses on budget-friendly ideas, on ways to save money that pertain to life. So this is how it's looking right now. I like the way it looked. I started out with 5 packages of ornaments, but I ended up having to go back to the store. So it's a total of 6 if you want it to be full. So I ended up cutting some of the wire down, just so I won't have all that excess. So I'm just going to wrap those 2 ends together. It's easier if you get some of the wire cutters to help you. So I bent those 2 back, and I'm just going to loop those together. So you see all the wire that I have left at the top, so I'll put some bows there to cover that up. Or either you can go ahead and finish adding ornaments and then just add your bow to the top of the ornaments, however you like to do it. But this is how I did it. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Stay tuned for all the other wreaths I made.